I guess all my high school experience of going to a vocational school about to pay off. Whoa. Before I got into real estate, I did have experience fixing things, and I think the cool thing about buying houses is like you get to do a couple things. Use that electric screwdriver, maybe get some tools out of the toolbox, keep the skills good. Let's see if we can make this gate open and close good. All right. This thing's back in the order, baby. This is what home ownership feels like. You get to learn how to do stuff. This door opens now. Now when the contractors get here to start doing their work, they don't make it worse.